Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to do a trade breakdown of this trade on USDJPY that I took on the 13th of September. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Usually, the way I trade, I have a concept I follow, which is expectational order flow, whereby if we have a break of structure like this, I expect price to pull back and continue downwards. That's the same thing if price is breaking upwards. I expect price to pull back and continue upwards. And I like to focus on the most recent price action. I have no business with the previous price actions in the past. So on this day when I came to the market, I saw that we had this break of structure on USDJPY right here. My expectation was for price to pull back and then continue downwards. I put out my fib, which I usually use to figure out my point of interest. So we came into the fib level right here. As we pulled back into the fib, I went down to the 5 minutes chart to see what has happened. Now on the 5 minutes chart, before I take a trade, I need to see price showing me signs of reversal. So we just have to wait like I did. I waited for price to do all of its thing. Did all of that. And then I saw that we broke structure here after taking out this high. After taking out this high, I saw that we had this shift, market structure shift over here. So what I did was I marked out this entire area and I had my entry here. My stop was just above the high, and I target the last low for my take profit. So when this happened, all I just did was I waited for price to do its thing. I waited for price to do its thing and just went down to take profit. That was a very simple approach. So this was simply how I approached this trade, and it gave me a 4.2 R, which is a good one. So thank you guys for watching my videos, and if you enjoy this content, please press the like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. Also share to your friends so they can as well see and learn from stuff like this. See you in the next one. Peace.